Hello, my name is Anshika Kamtan and I am aspiring investment banking operational professional, currently based in Pune, Maharashtra. I come from a commerce background with a strong foundation in accounting and finance. I have developed a good understanding of financial markets, trade life cycle processes, and banking operation. Along with that, I am well versed in accounting principles, financial analysis, and business operation. I am highly interested in building my career in investment banking operation and the financial services industry, where I can apply my knowledge and grow professionally. I have completed my certification course that is called Certification of Investment Banking Operation Professional course from Mematicus Learning, where I get a strong understanding of the end-to-end trade life cycle processes, including pre-trade, trade execution, and post-trade activities. I am also familiar with the key areas such as financial instruments, security settlement, clearing, and reconciliation processes. In addition, I understand important regulatory framework like KYC, AML compliances, risk management, and operational controls used in financial institutions. And I have completed my MBA in accounting and finance from Nepal University, where I specialize in finance related subjects. My major subjects included financial management, corporate finance, financial analysis, and investment management. This helped me to build strong analytical thinking and a better understanding of financial decision making in organization. I also hold a Bachelor's of Commerce degree from Amity University, which gave me a strong base in accounting, taxation, economics, and business studies. I also gained knowledge of business law, corporate governance, auditing, and banking operations, which helped me understand real world business and financial system. I have done an internship in a CA firm. During my internship at a chartered accountant firm, I assisted in accounting, bookkeeping, and financial documentation. I worked on preparation and the verification of financial records and gained exposure of taxation, auditing, and compliance process. This experience helped me develop accuracy, attention to detail, and practical accounting knowledge. As I worked in Axis Bank as an assistant manager, where I assisted in customer relationship management and banking operation, and I handled documentation, account related processes, and customer service requests. I also coordinated with team members to ensure smooth daily operation and gain exposure in real time banking workflows. I have completed certifications like NISM Series 5A, NISM Series 7, and Tele ERP 9 certificate. NISM Series 5A and NISM Series 7 certification give me strengthened my knowledge of mutual funds, security operation, and risk management. And Tele ERP 9 certification helped me gain practical accounting and bookkeeping knowledge. Talking about my skills are my technical skills include MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, Tele ERP 9, trade lifecycle concepts, compliance basics, and RBI and SEBI regulatory knowledge. I have applied these skills in internship and banking operation roles, especially in documentation and financial processes. My soft skills include strong communication, teamwork, time management, adaptability, attention to detail, accountability, and organizational skills. And my professional objective is to build a career in investment banking operation where I can apply academic knowledge and practical experience in financial services. I am committed to continue learning, skill development, and professional growth in the banking and financial industry. I believe I am a good fit because of my strong academic background in accounting and finance and my understanding of financial markets and trade life cycle processes. I also have practical exposure through my CA firm internship and Axis Bank experience, which give me understand real world financial operations. Additionally, I hold certification in CBOB, NISM Series 5A, NISM Series 7, and Tele ERP 9, which strengthen my domain knowledge. I am a quick learner, detail oriented, and highly motivated to work in the investment banking operation domain. And this is my resume. This resume highlight my education background, professional experience, skills, and certification. Through my experience and academic knowledge, I have developed strong communication, analytical, and operational skills. And I am excited to build my successful career in investment banking operations. Thank you for your time and consideration. बंद कैसे करूं?